Okay, this one is 61 yards. See what we can do here. So we got another one peeking out of that hole. I'm sure it's a little one. It's like this is 62 yards. I have to zoom out a little bit so I can get my reticle on. Still have it in the frame. See what I can do here. Nailed it. Just peeking out of that hole right there. He just stood back down in there. Back at the horse farm here in Maryland. We got one out here sneaking around these two holes. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a shot here in a minute. Pretty sure we got that one. We'll take a walk down there. It wasn't giving me much to shoot at. Got another one out here too. Go check him out also. So here's the follow-up to the first one. It was about 40 yards. Just a little guy. The other one was this hole right here. And I walked up, I don't see anything down in the hole, but sure sound like a good shot. But them things standing at the hole, man, they drop right back down in there, and you can't, most of the time can't see them. But there's more around here, so just stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a few more shots. Okay, I'm going to give it a shot. He's just behind that leaves. There, I can just see his head. Nailed it. That one was 65 yards. 22. We got another one out here. Same spot. He's down right about here. hiding in that shadow of that. Got him too, it sounds like.